am Victoria, the Reiki practitioner at Self-Empowered Minds in New York City. A lot of my clients come in because they are suffering from anxiety. And while Reiki works wonders, I always send them home with homework. And here are some quick tips to alleviate anxiety at home. So first we're going to draw from the Kundalini practice of yoga. So what you're going to do is take your fingers, 4 fingers in front of your shoulders and 1 finger hooked behind your shoulders. And we're going to inhale through your nose as you turn to the right, exhale as you turn to the left. Inhale as you turn to the right, exhale as you turn to the left. Close your eyes and make this a fluid movement. And all you should be doing is listening to your breath as you inhale and exhale. What this does is it balances out the hemispheres of your brain, and it works on that solar plexus chakra, which tends to accumulate that anxious energy. And it also lubricates your spine, because when you're anxious, you get very rigid. Very rigid. So just continue moving from right to left, listening to your breath and just making this an easy, fluid movement that should be very, very comfortable and actually get you into a very meditative state. This should be done for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And once that time is up, come to a still, centered spine and place your hands on top of your knees. Close your eyes and just take a couple of deep breaths and notice any changes in your emotions and your physical body. I hope this has helped. Thanks.